Hello friend, Chef Bill here. Today I'm going to make banana bread. The best banana bread you've ever had. It all starts with the banana.
I want banana bread, but I want more. I want something that my fans will adore.
Get 5 bananas. Mash them all up. White flour, 1½ cup. Whole wheat flour, 1 cup.
Make it sweeter.
1 cup raw sugar.
That's better. What about butter?
Butter, 1 stick.
Put it in.
Baking powder, 2 teaspoons. 2 eggs in. 1 teaspoon salt.
I want something more. Make it better.
Toast your nuts. Put them in. Nutmeg, cinnamon, just a dash. Mix. Grease up your pan. Oven 350.
I want something more on top. Now put it in.
That's banana bread. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy cooking from Chef Bill.